Islamic Republic of Pakistan is a strategically located country in South Asia. It is bordered by Afghanistan and Iran in the west, India in the east, and China in the far northeast. Pakistan is a federal parliamentary republic consisting of 4 provinces and 4 federal territories. With a population exceeding 170 million people, it is the 6th most populous country in the world. Pakistan has a very vibrant and forward-looking pharma industry which has progressed many-fold since its independence in 1947. Today, the pharma is the most developed high-tech sector that is heavily contributing in shaping the economic growth of the country. With almost about 400 pharmaceutical manufacturing units in the country, the domestic pharma market in terms of market share is almost evenly divided between the locals and the multinationals. The Pakistan pharmaceutical industry meets around 70% of the country's demand of finished medicine. Mia Khalid Mansoor, after doing his MSc in Industrial Pharmacy from St. Louis University, Philadelphia, started his own pharmaceutical plant in 1962. Rather modestly from his family mansion and more commonly known as the House of Malwada, where also lived the founder's grandfather Mia Abdul Aziz Malwada, the first Muslim mayor of Lahore. However, in later years, land was procured on Multan Road, Lahore, where the foundation stone for the new factory was laid down by his father Mia Abdul Hamid on October 27, 1967. This way, the dream of Mia Khalid Mansoor, who also remained the president of PPMA in 1976 to 1978 and vice chairman of Lahore Chamber of Commerce for 1 year, becomes a reality. A modern factory under the name of Reco Pharmacal with tableting and liquid sections along with quality control starts with a total workforce of 25 people. Today, Reco is producing over 100 molecules with a workforce of 400 people. It is spread over an area of 90,000 square feet with a built-up area of 65,000 square feet. It is headed by Mr. Khalid Salim Mia, who, having a vast experience of banking, started his career in Reco in 1983 as Director of Finance and took over as Managing Director after the death of Mia Khalid Mansoor in May 2005. He is being assisted by Ms. Seemal Khalid, daughter of Mia Khalid Mansoor, who joined the company as Director Marketing in 1998. Reco has acquired ISO 9001-2000 certification in 2002 and since then it is exerting for continuous improvement through establishing and reviewing the quality policy, quality objectives, outcome of internal quality audits, corrective and preventive actions annually. In order to attain the vision, our qualified and highly skilled staff is handling all the processes in compliance with ISO 9001, 2008 and CGMP. Our ethical standards are embodied in our corporate principles and these ethical values determine our mission. Our production plant is equipped with advanced automated technology and dedicated process control systems and latest machinery such as automatic 10 nozzle liquid filling machine, capacity 40,000 bottles per 8 hours, high-speed rotary tableting machines, capacity 800,000 tablets per 8 hours, automatic capsule filling machine, capacity 600,000 capsules per 8 hours. The existing product lines include tablets, capsules, injectables, liquid syrups, oral dry powders, ophthalmic drops, semi-solid. To maintain product quality standards, We purchase our materials from approved vendors, and these materials are quarantined until tested and released and dispensed under strictly controlled conditions for use in the manufacturing department. Our warehouses and other production facilities have been renovated and upgraded to meet the challenging demands of the pharmaceutical industry. Recco Pharmacal has enhanced their production capacity from producing 15 million units to 90 million units per annum. We have a fully functional HVAC system, and the purpose of this system is to supply clean air in sufficient volume to control temperature and humidity and also provide clean air in the production and store area. With the view of improving the quality of products, we at Recco have upgraded our QC procedures with the addition of spectrophotometers, HPLCs, FTIR and the stability chamber. Along with this, our focus remains on the expansion of space facility, training and refresher courses, which primarily focuses on the enhancement of productivity and smooth workflow of the staff for them to be at par with international standards. Our microbiology lab has successfully enhanced its capabilities in the determination of percentage concentration of antibiotic in process and finished products and determination of toxicity of finished products. Through self-inspection and quality audit, the QA department undertakes continuous quality improvement measures by coordinating with all departments and ensuring to deliver a product to the customer that meets the desired standards and specifications of quality assurance. While maintaining current good manufacturing practices of producing quality medicines, the company, in coordination with a highly skilled team, is constantly endeavoring to improve on their extensive application of planned preventive maintenance programs. We believe and follow ethical marketing standards and episodically offer patient-friendly marketing activities through our trained field staff of more than 150 people and a network of 40 distributors. Our marketing department is operating with 5 product groups which are dealing with a wide range of antibiotics, both oral and dry suspension, to include antidiarrheals, amibicidals, anti-ulcerants, anxiolytics, cough syrups, laxatives, analgesics, steroidal preparations. We recognize that we are accountable for the social, ethical, economic and environmental issues of our operations. For this reason, we at Recco have designed a system to reflect high standards of corporate governance. We assume responsibility for the impact of our activities on the environment, consumers, employees, communities, stakeholders and all other members of the public sphere. Hence, we believe in building strong relationships with customers, partners, employees and the communities in which we operate in. In Recco, the HR department is very efficiently serving as a liaison between all concerned departments. A transparent recruitment and selection criteria has been established in Recco in conformity with the Equal Employment Opportunity laws. Moreover, an adequate compensation of benefits and reward system has been designed for more than 400 employees. Training and development activities are continuously being carried out to augment our employees' expertise and knowledge. In its efforts to produce quality molecules, Recco's most valuable asset is their team. The men and women who are giving their very best to this organization and by virtue of which they continue to enjoy the status of being our partners in policy making and progress. The management desires to inculcate an atmosphere when openness is encouraged and opinions are appreciated at all levels. In continuation of our business policy, we are successfully collaborating with Pfizer, Genetics Pharmaceuticals, Curative Pharmaceuticals and McJohn International. RECO has updated and expanded its facilities to meet the challenges of the pharmaceutical industry by keeping abreast with the technological developments and the challenges facing the pharmaceutical market, both domestically and globally. It is RECO's vision to attain a name in the global market by ensuring that our ethical and professional standards are embodied in our corporate principles.